Hello guys, how are you? Today I am going to unboxing this Aladdin women bags over girls bag. Let's see. Aladdin ready stock 4 in 1 packet. So these are, I was choose brown. This is the seller, that is this shop, and I buy 2. Is going to show. One is Aladdin 4 in 1, then second in Al Shia ready stock. This one middle stride zip backpack. This one it's cool, nice. And let's start to unboxing. So guys, this is already our packet parcel. Let's see, this is the shopper name, seller. So you can see it right now, and let's open what is inside right now. So finally I unboxing already. This is the bag, looking nice. This is other one, can put cards, some money inside this one, but not, I think, money for card, your bank cards like this. This is, you can see this one 4 in 1. This is, you can put your money, notes and bank cards usually can. And these are 2 gift, 1 2, and this one also. This is called tali rope, you can use it. And this is a small bag. And here the other one, I buy this one, and this is very nice. It's very nice, and backpack you can use for small gadgets, like you can use for material, phone, power bank, whatever you can use, because it's not so big. But it's the what you pay, what you get, value for money. Okay, thanks guys. If you like my videos, please keep subscribe my channel, keep sharing my videos. I will do more unboxing things, whatever I buy. I'll let you show that's things and best seller for you, so you can buy as a trusting. And the delivery was very fast. It's been 3 days already. I can receive my parcel. And what I thank you the more, what I tell you, the more things important when you are using scissor. This one, when you are seizing to user like this, sometime your bag was there, you don't know, be careful, because I just see it was being a little bit damaged, but I see already, so I would not. I be careful when you scissor on to opening the box, over opening to wrapper, over opening the package. Okay, thank you guys, take care, bye.